Really simple candy melts, and I'm very curious as to how
to
easy
use
it is.
them. So shall we? Let's get started. White candy melts. Here you go. Fill in the letters.
I'm totally carried away.
All right, so now it's just popped out of the fridge, the first layer, and now we're gonna pipe in the second part. And we're gonna just, it's so easy. I'm gonna put this in.
Should I fill it more then?
No, and then you're gonna do the next layer on
Okay.
top, so it's easier. Third layer, third and last.
Right, tap it.
Tap it, baby.
Just pop them out.
And all you gotta do is turn them over.
That's all I do?
Yep, turn them over, and you give it a little massage. And that's it.
Peace.
Love, love, love.
You know what?
Isn't that awesome?
Children
Look
can
at
do this too.
Uh-huh.
I think, you know what? I think the most important thing is don't forget to tap.
Yes, don't forget to tap, for sure.
The tapping takes out the air bubbles. This is pretty cool. Thank you for sorting me out for Valentine's Day.
Thanks for coming by. That was so much
really
fun.
like, what
That
am I
was
gonna
super
do? What am I
fun.
gonna do? What am I gonna do?
Okay, I'm dying to eat this.
Thanks for watching our video. Click here to watch Amanda and I making more treats, or here to make cake pops in just 2 minutes. Thanks, bye!